In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to short a trade on Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com, and then from here it should look something like this once you're logged inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to go head over to the search bar over here, and then from here you'll need to find a specific instrument that you want to short. Once from here you'll simply need to click on a specific stock or ETF, and once from here you'll simply need to go over to the trading section over here. Now once from here, you should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to go over here to click short over here, and from here you'll need to add in the amount that you want to purchase. You can also change the amount over to shares, so let's just click let's buy 1 share for this tutorial, and from here you can also add a stop loss and take profit. From here you'll also be able to see you can add 24/5 trading if you want to do that, and you can change your order type to a market order to a limit order if you want to do that. Once from here, you'll simply need to click short, and then from here, you'll be able to see the sell at market price will be visible over here, and you'll also be able to see it over here in your portfolio as a pending open. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!